welcome to Angie's Escapades. Today is the first day of fall, so happy first day of fall everyone. Today I am going to Roba Family Farm and it's located in the northeastern of Pennsylvania. Here they have a pumpkin patch as well as a corn maze, so I'm super excited to be here and I hope that you guys all love this video. So let's go ahead and start with the vlog.
I don't know how they catch it at a big farm. Somebody squealed.
I love pumpkins. They're honestly my favorite. So right now we are on the Hayride and it's so cute and it goes all around here. So what it does is that they pick you up from one entrance and they could drop you off in another entrance. So I'm so excited. Here they have like the campsite and you could sit with like in a fire pit. So cool, isn't it? You're so funny. This is so much fun. Wow. This place is huge. Right now we're at the pond area and we just came from over there and now we're gonna go ahead and go to a different section. It is so hot today. want to get on that. I want to get on that so bad. Now we're on it's a kiddie bull ride. Kiddie bull ride. Yeah, kiddie bull ride. Okay. Look at my mom, she's jealous so she can't get on it. This is so cute. Woo! I'll meet you over there.
Like the wood. Up top. Drop it on, grab it.
How do you do this?
Oh my. This is exciting. Now we're in the corn maze and I'm super excited. Look. This video. This is the end of the vlog. I had a great time today and I hope that you guys all love this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up because it really supports my channel, as well as subscribe down below and click the notification bell, guys, so every time I post a video, guess what, you will get notified. So I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.